Hi, I'm Charlie with Merchant Automotive, and this is our injector harness pigtail for the Duramax LLY engine. Over time, engine vibration can wear on connections, making them more susceptible to terminal damage. This occurs most commonly on the number 2 and number 7 injectors, but can happen on any of them. Symptoms can include a service engine soon light, along with a reduction in engine power. Also, DTC codes P0202 P0207 P2146 and P2149 may be present. Our harness will repair those damaged connections at any of the 8 injectors and come complete with heat-to-seal connectors. This is available to order on our website or give us a call today. Subscribe to follow Merchant Automotive and click that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.